Ever wondered how to make those delicious, multi-layered parfaits you see in fancy cafes? Parfaits are delightful desserts, artfully combining flavors and textures into a visual treat. There are countless ways to layer these delights, each offering a unique taste experience. Let's explore the top 7 methods for creating these delightful desserts. The first method, traditional layering, is as straightforward as it sounds. You start with a granola or biscuit base, layer on some yogurt or cream, then top with fruits or nuts. Repeat the layers until your glass is filled. This method is simple, but it results in a beautiful and tasty parfait. Next up is the swirled parfait method. This style is all about creating enticing patterns with a spoon or stick, enriching the visual appeal of your parfait. Plus, the swirling technique blends the flavors together, ensuring that every spoonful is a delightful mix of flavors. The deconstructed parfait is a modern take on the classic dessert. Here, the elements of a parfait are presented separately, inviting you to mix and match each bite to your liking. The deconstructed parfait offers a unique, customizable eating experience. For a refreshing treat, try the frozen parfait method. This inventive approach involves freezing the layers, creating a dessert akin to a gourmet ice cream. Perfect for those sizzling summer days when you crave a chilly indulgence. The frozen parfait is a cool twist on the classic dessert. Now, let's heat things up with the baked parfait method. This technique involves baking your parfait, creating a warm, comforting dessert. Think of it as a cozy fireside treat, perfect for colder months. The baked parfait is a warm, comforting take on the classic dessert. For those who prefer plant-based treats, there's the vegan parfait method. This swaps traditional dairy for coconut yogurt, a creamy alternative, and replaces honey with agave nectar, a plant-derived sweetener. The vegan parfait is a delicious, cruelty-free dessert option. Last but not least, we have the savory parfait method. This innovative approach swaps out sweet staples with flavorful savories like crisp vegetables, creamy hummus, and crunchy seeds. The savory parfait is a surprising but delicious twist on the classic dessert. So, there you have it, the top 7 methods for creating multi-layered parfaits. From traditional layering to swirled, deconstructed, frozen, baked, vegan, and even savory parfaits. Try these methods and discover your own unique way of enjoying parfaits. Until next time, keep exploring the delicious world of desserts.